Hello and welcome to my vlog for today. It's Saturday, it's freezing cold, I'm wrapped up warm, ready to do some work today. Today's task is going to be clearing inside my shanty shed, as I call it. I'm no good at building stuff, but I was quite impressed with how I built this. I'm not the best at DIY, but as you do it, you just try your best. Let me show you around my shed. This is my shed. As you can see, it's covered in perspex, so in the summer it gets absolutely boiling warm in there, which is a good thing. And it covered it well. I use plastic as it's easy to replace if it gets broken. As you can see, I've got a few broken panels, so I need to get them repaired, but nothing too major. Looking at it from this side, it's not that high, but as you go round, this side needs quite a lot of work doing to it. As you can see, it's starting to come apart, but it's been up 3 years. As you can see, I just dump everything in here, but it's got a bit out of hand. It's like a jungle in here, so as you can see, I need to do some work in here. Yeah, it's actually very tall. I had to dig it out as I'm a very tall person, so it needed to be very tall. But yeah, I've got a lot of work to do, and today I'm going to do it. I will post a video, photo of what it used to look like before I built this. It's been up 3 years. It was only a small little thing to start off with, but I thought I needed something bigger. So yeah, hope you enjoy today's vlog. Well, that's today's work done. Finally finished. Gonna go home and have a nice soak now, as I'm absolutely numb. Let me show you what I have done today. As you can see, all the rubbish now cleared away. All the weeds what were growing in between have all been pulled out and got away, and it's literally ready for planting season, which will probably be March time, February, March. I'm going to plant my first seeds. I've still got quite a bit of work left to do in here. I've got new shelving to put up, obviously, from where that's warped, and that's starting to sag a little. And I'll probably give the paintwork a spruce up, make it look fresh, ready for this year. Just got to have a look at trying to fix the roof a bit, as you can see, it's starting to dip from the water, so I'll just put some panels under that to lift it up a bit. But yeah, this has been the best thing that I built down here. It's got plenty of room for all my seeds, and like I said, it absolutely gets piping hot in here. And yeah, I can't wait to show you when I start growing my seeds in here, and you'll see how well they grow. On the floor, I have black membrane all over it so that the weeds don't grow through. Even though you did see the weeds growing earlier, it does help a lot, and it's easy just to sweep down. But yeah, I plan on doing a bit of restoration work to this and making it a lot more better for this year. You'll have to tune in later this year and see what it looks like. So yeah, that's today's work done. Another job that I absolutely hate doing, clearing up from last year's rubbish. I should do it really when the season ends, save me having to do it now. But it's all ready for spring, ready for planting season. And yeah, that is my favourite part, doing all the planting and watching all the seeds grow. You just can't believe what can grow from a small seed into a great big plant. What are you planting this year? I'm going to try and plant as many plants as I can. I still need to buy my seeds. I usually go to Wilco's for them. They seem to do alright. So yeah, please remember to subscribe in the button below, and help me gain more followers. and remember to like this video and feel free to share it. And if you have any tips, feel free to share them in the comments below. I'm always grateful for tips, as any little tips help anybody out. And yeah, I'm always looking for feedback. Thank you for watching today's vlog. And remember, happy gardening.